Hey, what's up guys? It's Casey with iTracker360 and I want to show you how to track referral activity via the API. So this is when you're using something like EverWebinar, Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, Thrive, API Forms, something that doesn't natively support affiliate tracking using the standard affiliate links that you create. So in this official help documentation, Infusionsoft tells you that you have to create your links using this method. And what will happen is that you'll get redirected to your landing page, but they'll also append the affiliate ID or affiliate name to the end of the link. So using this affiliate parameter, we can now create referral history via the API that can then be used to generate commissions for that contact or for that affiliate. So the first step you have to do is you have to enable referral history as a tracking method in Infusionsoft. So go into your CRM settings, go down to referral partner defaults, and make sure that your referral partner tracking method is set to use referral history and cookies. Go ahead and take note of this option here, whether you're using the latest or first referring. We'll use that in a minute. So once we have this set, just save it. Go into iTracker, go to Advanced Settings. Down on the left, there's Infusionsoft Affiliate Tracking. And these are the two requirements that I just talked about. Just enable affiliate tracking, set how long you want the iTracker affiliate cookie to live for. I just have 35 days here, but if you want it to last forever, just click this option here. Yes, we'll persist it in local storage for that browser at least. And then whether we can overwrite the affiliate cookie, just do latest referring or first referring. Since my Infusionsoft settings is latest referring, I'm just going to match that here. So just save that, and then within 15 minutes or so, this new JavaScript code should be pushed out and propagated. You might have to clear your cache and cookies, but that will take effect. So let's go back to that official help documentation and look at this a little bit more closer. So what Infusionsoft wants you to do is, instead of just adding a link to your landing page, they want you to create the link to your landing page using this method. So I'm going to grab this part right here. I'm going to copy it. I have a URL. This is going to be my landing page URL. It's using a Thrive API form. But I'm going to paste what I just copied. That was from the Infusionsoft help page. I'm going to change this to DH106, which is my test account. And I'm going to put this URL at the end of this. So this is how you form the link using this modified link method. So I'm going to copy this entire link, and I'm going to create a referral partner link using that. So just go into referral partners, referral tracking links. I'm going to add a referral tracking link. I'm going to call this Thrive test. I'm going to call it Thrive test. And I'm going to add the website address, which is that entire URL. I'm going to select the standard commission program, which applies 20% to the affiliate upon payment of the sale. So let's log into a referral partner. Let's log into their Ledger account or their referral center. So I have this affiliate account too. This is the one that I'm going to use. I'm going to log into this guy, and let's look at his link tracking stats. There's nothing here. He has 0 commissions generated, and his ledger shows 0. So this is like a brand new affiliate. Let's generate a link for that Thrive test form. So here's the link that I'm going to use. And to test this, I'm going to open an incognito window. So when I do that, that's basically the same as clearing your cache and cookies and all that stuff. But I don't want to do it because I don't want to get logged out. So I'm just going to do an incognito window. And watch what happens when we go to this standard Infusionsoft referral link. It's going to redirect me to the landing page that I want to go to, but it's also going to add some query string parameters. Specifically, the affiliate ID is what I'm looking for. That has to exist for iTracker to read it so that we can create a referral history via the API. So here's the affiliate ID here. His affiliate ID was 5. And I can verify that this works once I submit this form. So let's do Thrive test 6 at testing.com. Just going to make a random account up. So I'm going to submit this off. That was a success. That used the API to submit the lead. And what I can do is go into my iTracker API sync area, because that's where we capture this data. And it looks like there's an affiliate ID here, so we did capture that. We're basically waiting for this data to get processed. So let's go into Infusionsoft. Let's see if that contact record has been created. We'll just go to the main application and we'll search for that record. So here's that contact. This is the new lead that we just submitted. And if we go to referral partner tracking, it looks like iTracker created the referral history via the API. So sometimes this could take a minute or two to be applied, but this one happened relatively quickly. You'll know that we created it because the source says created by iTracker360. The expiration is dictated by how you have your referral partner set up in Infusionsoft. But we basically create this via the API when we detect the affiliate parameter exists. So let's go back to the referral partner ledger. Let's go to the affiliate account and we'll look at the link tracking stats. So there's one hit that's incremented whenever we go to that actual link. So that link, that referral link that we went to, that created a hit. The number of opt-ins unfortunately will not increment. It will not increase. That only increases when you submit a standard Infusionsoft form. So whenever we create referral history via the API, this should increase, but it doesn't. It's just a limitation of Infusionsoft. I've created a support thread on the Infusionsoft community forums asking support about that, but they basically said that, doesn't work like that. Now, when this contact submits an order, we should see orders and all that, and the commissions will get generated. So let's submit an order for this new contact that we just submitted. And again, we can verify that there's 0 commissions as of this point. So let's go to the contact record. I'm just going to grab this email address, and I'm going to open up another incognito window. But first, let me grab the order form link that we're going to use. So I'm going to go to e-commerce setup, and I already have an order form. I'm going to use this demo form too. Let me grab the link to that. So I'm going to copy that, open an incognito window, and I'm going to go to this page. So I'm going to go ahead and fill all this out. And let me just make sure I'm using the right email address. Let me go back. Because if they use a different email address, then obviously the referral history and all that's created for this contact and not another email address. So I'm going to submit that. So I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to do a test card. So once I place this order, we can go to the affiliate ledger here. I'm going to refresh this page, and it looks like commissions generated is $20 now. And if you go to my ledger, there's the product with the $20 that was created. Now that was generated because we created that referral history via the API. If we go to link tracking stats, there's one order. Now that opt-in, that got incremented because we submitted that order form. That's how that actually incremented. But once you create the order, then the commissions will be generated from the referral history. So let's look at the actual order that we created for this guy. And here's the order record. And here's the affiliate account too with the commission generated. And likewise, if let's say we created a manual order. So let's go in here and create another order for this guy. Let's go to orders and create another order. So this is a manual order, right? So we'll call it manual order 2. So we'll save that. The cell referral partner is who needs to be that's the guy that needs the commission. So if you have the lead referral partner set, that was auto detected, but since you're creating it manually, you'll need to make sure you attribute that to the cell referral partner. And then once once the order goes through and everything, then they should have commissions. So let's do $500. and we'll save that. Then we'll add a payment. We'll just do cash. We'll apply the payment. And so he earned a $100 commission, which was 20%. And that was all done because we were able to create that referral history via the API, and that you selected him as the sell referral partner. So that's how you track referral activity via the API. Basically enable the CRM setting option for referral history and cookies. Make sure you use this modified redirect method. Enable it within the iTracker settings, and then it should be pretty good to go after that.